How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. I'm glad you're here. In this episode we're gonna try to weld another scrap metal art, another dog, where main component is brace or hand drill. These dogs are all over the place on Instagram and TikTok, so I'm not sure who to give credit to for making the first one. If you watching this video who created this first time, thank you very much for giving everybody this beautiful idea. For this project we're gonna need 4 railroad spikes, 2 sockets and 2 bearing balls for ice, casing of the bearing for collar, brace of course, and 2 golf clubs for ears, preferably left and right. Let's start with cleaning spikes on the wire wheel on the bench grinder. Our spikes are nice and shiny, all cleaned up, and as you guys might have guessed, these are gonna be our legs. We're just gonna give them a little bend, like create a knee point sorta. Get our little hammer and give her. Okay, not without the challenge, but we did bend all 4 legs. We're gonna let this cool off and we're gonna work on the ears of this dog. We're gonna grab these 2 clubs, cut them off from the handles and weld them together. Time has come to test out this Arc Captain cordless grinder. One of the nicest features in it that it rotates. I've never seen something like that before. We press this button and we can rotate either this way 90 degrees or this way. You can better understand it once it's fully assembled. That's normal grinder position, face to the table. But this feature gives you option like this. They are on sale right now. If you guys are curious, I'll leave you a link down below. Ear number 1. Ear number 2. And now we're just gonna weld them together like this. And we have a nice set of ears for our dog. The welder I'm using is Arc Captain MIG 200 and my settings are 17 volts and 180 inch per minute for wire speed. There's some sort of epoxy inside and another piece of tubing. Not sure if this is the issue. Maybe also because of this is not steel, maybe aluminum, then I'm screwed. Let's try to drill out this mess. This is very stinky stuff. Not sure I'm doing this all right. Okay, I tried to drill out those inside tubings with epoxy, but lesson learned, instead of cutting them with grinder, just hit them and pull that handle out, like I did in this little clip. Okay, I see another issue. This one takes the weld, which tells me this is steel, and this one most likely aluminum or any other alloy. So we gotta find another ear. Not what I planned, but at least we can finish our sculpture. Let's try to weld these again. Far from ideal, of course, but we did weld it together. Our next step, we're gonna weld two pairs of this feet together first. I think like this is nice width. I think this will do. Our sculpture taking shape, you guys. Okay, we can set this on legs. Nice. No play in it. I like it. Woof, woof. This is awesome. Now we can add more welds to it, make it nice and sturdy. Boom! Alright, next step is to weld our ears, on which we're gonna set the ice. Let's put our collar before we forget. For the eyes, I have these two sockets and a bearing ball, and we're gonna turn it upside down like this and try to weld it from the inside. Think it worked. Let's make him alive and give him the eyes. Look at this cutie. Oh my god. He's adorable. He's adorable, isn't it? Hey little doggy. Oh man. Wow. He is pretty cute. And this collar. Love it. How should we name him, guys? Put a comment down below. Good boy. He's a good boy. There you guys have it. Our sculpture completed, and I'm pretty happy with the result. It didn't go without hiccups, we had some issues welding these ears together, and we found out that not all of them are made from steel or stainless steel, some of them from alloy, and I bought 8 clubs to find that only 2 of those could be welded together. Despite that, I had a lot of fun building this dog. I'm pretty sure my son will love this. Thank you for everyone who made to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. If you guys are in the market for affordable welder, I recommend this R Captain MiG 200. You're not gonna break your bank, and you're gonna get a welder that could satisfy your needs as a DIYer, and you can make something like this. That's it for this one. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now. I saw you didn't like this video. How come? Look how cute I am. Hit thumbs up. Subscribe. Ruff.